everyone, welcome to another episode of Down at the Unit. Well, I'm not really down at the unit yet, I'm on my way down to the unit. So just a bit about this episode. I'm going to be finishing off what we started in episode 2, which is pop the power steering pump back on, connect it all back up together, wire the gauges in, do the second half of this oil sandwich plate install, and then test it, make sure it works, and then probably take it for a spin just to see how it reports, and then I can have a quick check to see where I am with it, because there was an issue with idling. I've also bought a new battery, so hopefully that should solve half the issue. I'm sure the old battery was only pushing like 8 or 9 volts, so it was nothing, it wasn't even starting the car properly, it would just tick over. But yeah, let's get into it. It's going to fit the new oil filter. The glasses anymore. I just get a bit of oil just to lubricate the rubber. I need a bit just to rub on, just so it seals, and I can pop it off. Sweet, that'll do. And I've also replaced the bottom hose with another one. Not sure how good that'll do, but time will tell. Oil is filled. Let's hope this battery's not completely dead. Right, just prime it so I can get some oil around circulating in the engine. test is to wire the gauges in. Well, run wire into the cab so I can wire the gauges in. So right, what I need to do is I need to put some ends on for the wiring for the oil pressure. And once I find myself some ends, I can then crimp them on. If I can find my crimping tool. Here, crimping tool. I have no idea where this is. Oh, there it is. Found it. Ah. Bloody love this crimping tool. So much nicer than the standard ones. So yeah, as you can see, I've managed to get the wiring in for the sandwich plate on. I'm running a cable this way. I don't know why I'm running it this way. And then through the firewall where the back line comes out. I could probably neaten that up. I'm going to roll my gauges through there. So I'm just wrapping. These are the ones. I've wrapped them in this tape so I can distinguish which ones are which. This is oil temperature and the other is oil pressure. You can see there, all the gauges are wired up. I'll just cable tie them up once I'm all done to tidy it up a bit. Yep, that's it. And the gauges, obviously, they're only temporarily there. I will put them in properly. I've drilled a hole in the dash. Mind the bad flocking, and I've wired it in to the existing ones. I've already got some up here, so I've just tapped into the cables that run down there for the other gauges, and obviously wired the sender to where I need to, and I'll tidy all that up once I've got the other sender done. So yeah, let's get on it. Yeah, boy. Right, turns out I'd wired the light switch and the ignition the wrong way around. So just swap them out, and this is the result. I need to wire a switch in for my fan. Awesome. Pothole central over here. So many bits loose. So yeah, I'm going to leave that episode there. I've been called into work. There's a power issue in one of the offices, and this guy's got to show it. So, like, subscribe, comment, like, dislike, whatever you like. But make sure to follow us in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.